Everyone, we're at the end of our hunt today. We didn't do an intro. We were out scouting down beside the railroads. We're following Mosby's route in the Shenandoah Valley. We're trying to get onto some of these camps out here that's been lost and not recorded or not on the maps or anything like that. And we found some cool items today, so please watch the video. One item that we found was really cool. You'll see it when it's pulled out of the ground. But we believe that it's Civil War military. It's either a pin or something, identification pin or something. But it's very cool, so just make sure you check out the video, and we'll get back to you with another one. Little update on this lock right here. We cleaned it up a little bit. And on the lock plate it says WW, and it's M and something company on it. So that's a pretty cool lock. It even still swivels with a lock plate. That's a cool find. Alright guys, get you back out and find something else. Next target is a harmonica reed, 53 on the AT Pro, right up underneath that log right there, about 3 inches in the ground, I guess. Couldn't find the rest of it. We tried. That's a good find. Alright guys, we'll get you back up and find something else. Everyone, we're back. Got a deep one this time. It was down in the bottom, about 6 inches in there. Got this piece. Don't have a clue what that is. It was 62 strong. It wouldn't get off of 62. We thought we had a bullet, but this piece popped out of the ground. If anybody knows what it is, please leave a comment, because I'm anxious to see what this piece is. Getting some focus here. Alright guys, we'll get you back out and find something else. We're back. About 6 inches in the hole. Pulled out a debuckle. It's a good relic. Alright guys, we'll get you back out and find something else. This time, it's a 58 signal. I chased this little thing all over the hole. Really small. Not too sure what it is. Got a flat end like a nutwood, but it I don't know what this is. Any ideas, leave a comment. Like I said, it's reading 5861. That's a 61 there. 58 there. So it's 58 and 61 on the AT Pro. Man, that's small. Alright guys, get off here and find something else.